Hello, good morning, Sis and Mrs. Cultural Health for Life. Today we have to talk about culture and nature, the habitant and the inhabitant, the environment and the society, the nature, and now we have to place the cultural health, the difference between the cultural health and traditional health, or the even only the call about tradition and culture. Tradition is not existing. It's just an abuse of language used for Africans, just to diminish them and to keep them low. The real word for tradition is culture. Because nature is a gift from God, and culture is there to transform the nature and develop. The inhabitant in culture transforms the habitant, but in the nature, the habitant makes the inhabitant. The habitant constitutes the inhabitant in the nature, and in culture is the inhabitant that constitutes the nature to transform the nature into development. The environment is the nature. Now when the society comes, it still be an environment, but it is already transformed into culture. Tell me now, why should you call the tradition, which is nature, and nature cannot develop? That means tradition, healers, tradition, culture, our traditional chiefs are people that will never develop, because they don't have the ability of transforming their nature into culture. So the real thing is cultural healing, cultural chiefs, not traditional chiefs. Traditional dance doesn't exist. Traditional music doesn't exist. All are cultural music and cultural healthcare and cultural music and dance. Thank you for this one.